If your Infiniti QX60 Apple CarPlay keeps dropping out, it is frustrating, but usually an easy fix. Data shows that about 80% of these connectivity issues are caused by simple cable degradation. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your connection stable again. Start by inspecting your port for lint and swapping to a brand new certified cable. Software conflicts are the next most common cause for intermittent dropouts. Adjusting these specific iPhone settings can often stabilize the handshake between your device and the head unit. Most fixes are DIY, but if the issue persists after a factory reset, you might need a professional. Statistically, the cable is your primary suspect, followed by software settings. A full clear and repair is often the magic bullet for stubborn connection issues. Keep these simple items in your glove box to handle any future connectivity hiccups. Remember that technology often just needs a fresh start to synchronize correctly. If you're still having trouble, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.